was the name of your school?
My high school was Bilford High School and Avon Valley Primary School.
Why judo in the first place?
A few of my friends were doing it and I enjoyed fighting when I was little, so I went along to the club.
Interested in any other sports?
Netball, athletics, tennis, yeah, quite everything really.
Sporting hero?
Denise Lewis.
Favourite country you've been to?
Austria.
Favourite food?
Steak.
What about television? What's your favourite TV programme, apart from this one, of course?
I like Desperate Housewives. Desperate Housewives? Yeah.
Film? Favourite film?
Titanic.
Lovely. Favourite music?
Bit of everything. Top 40. I like Frozen. Frozen theme tune.
Cool. What's the best music to train to, you find?
Frozen.
Frozen. Wow, brilliant. Let it go. Even. Highlights so far in judo?
Winning the Commonwealth Games and winning Master Silver and Paris Bronze.
And ambition in judo? Is that
To win the Olympic Games.
stupid question, I'm sure. What about life ambition?
Win the Olympic Games.